Hello students, welcome to the Megha Goswami classes. In the last class we have studied about various trigonometric ratios and today we will study the trigonometric identities. So now let's see. If I am writing an equation x square minus 4 is equal x minus 2 and x plus 2 with the help of the formula x square minus a square is x minus a into x plus a. So here if we put the values of x 1, 2, 3 and so on, so we get the value of LHS is equal value of RHS. Okay, left hand side or right hand side will be equal. It means we can say this is an algebraic identity. Can say because LHS is equal RHS, so we can say this is an algebraic identity. Here I am talking about trigonometric identities. It means trigonometric identities means when an equation involving the ratios, it means trigonometric ratios of angle theta. Okay, when an equation involving trigonometric ratios of angle theta and that equation satisfied with all the values of theta, so we can say that is trigonometric identity. Okay, जब मैं कोई भी इक्वेशन लिख रही हूँ कैसे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो से रिलेटेड और वो इक्वेशन थीटा की हर वैल्यू के लिए सेटिस्फाइड होना चाहिए तो वो कहलाएगी हमारी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी. हियर आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग 3 फंडामेंटल ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज और उनकी हेल्प से हम आगे और भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो 3 फंडामेंटल आइडेंटिटीज आर हियर. द फर्स्ट इज The first fundamental identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal 1. And the second fundamental identity is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal 1. And the third identity is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal 1. These 3 are fundamental trigonometric identities and you can solve any other trigonometric identity with help of them. Now see how do we prove it. The first sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal 1. Now let's see. This is right angle triangle, this is 90 degrees. Suppose this is acute angle theta and this is ABC triangle. Okay, angle B is acute, it means we can take it theta. This is 90 degree. Okay, so adjacent side of the 90 degree will be base. Okay, and opposite to the theta is called perpendicular and this is called hypotenuse. Clear? HBP. आपको याद होगा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज क्या थे? P, B, P अपॉन H, H, B. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Sin theta is P upon H, it means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse and tan theta is perpendicular upon base. Now, the first, you know that by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal base square plus perpendicular square. So, I am explaining here. We know that by Pythagoras theorem, h square, it means hypotenuse square, is equal p square plus b square. Hypotenuse square is equal perpendicular square plus base square. Now divide this equation by hypotenuse square. Now divide h square divided by h square, p square upon h square plus b square upon h square. Clear? Now h square is cut by h square, so we get 1 here and we can write p square upon h square is p upon h whole square plus b square upon h square is equal b upon h square. Clear is it? Now write 1 is equal P upon H. P upon H means sin theta. Okay, ये क्या है? Sin theta. This is cos theta and this is tan theta. Okay, so P upon H is sin square theta, sin theta whole square, plus B upon H is cos theta whole square. We can write 1 is equal sin theta whole square means sin square theta. We can write here sin square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta. So we get the first fundamental identity here. 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal 1. Clear is it? Now we prove second fundamental identity. Now let's see. Again, by Pythagoras theorem, we know that h square is equal p square plus b square. Okay. Now divide the whole equation by b square. It means square of base. So h square upon b square is equal p square upon b square plus b square upon b square. Clear is it? What I am doing? I am doing here, I am dividing this equation by base square. So b square is cut by b square. We get here h upon b whole square. H upon b. It means the reciprocal of b upon h. It means the reciprocal of cos theta. And what is the reciprocal of cos theta? Yes, it is sec square theta. So we can write here sec theta whole square is equal p upon b. P upon b. It means reciprocal of tan theta. It is P upon b means tan theta. So we can write here tan theta whole square plus 1. Okay. So we can write here sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal 1. Okay. Now see, sec theta whole square is sec square theta is equal tan theta whole square is tan square theta plus 1 उधर रह गया राइट हैंड साइड में और tan square theta को मैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लिया. So we get the second fundamental identities. Okay. एक चीज आप लोग ध्यान रखना, sec theta whole square. Okay, this is not the square of the theta. ओके, ये स्क्वायर जो है वो एंगल का स्क्वायर नहीं है. दिस इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ फंक्शन. हियर सेक थीटा, मैंने आपको पिछली क्लास में भी बताया था सेक थीटा इज नॉट द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सेक एंड थीटा, इट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ थीटा. ओके, इट मींस सेक थीटा जब हम स्क्वायर करेंगे तो हमको थीटा का स्क्वायर नहीं कर देना है कि सपोज यहाँ पर 90 है तो आप 90 का स्क्वायर करके लिख दो. ओनली दैट विल बी द सेक स्क्वायर थीटा. नाउ क्लियर द सेकंड फंडामेंटल आइडेंटिटी. नाउ वी विल प्रूव third fundamental identity with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Clear? Now h square is equal p square plus b square. First हमने प्रूफ करने के लिए डिवाइड किया था h स्क्वायर से. सेकेंड हमने प्रूफ करने के लिए डिवाइड किया था b स्क्वायर मीन्स बेस स्क्वायर से. एंड थर्ड वी विल डिवाइड इट इक्वेशन बाय परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर. सो h स्क्वायर अपॉन p स्क्वायर इज इक्वल p स्क्वायर upon p square plus b square upon p square. Clear? Now h square upon p square, it means reciprocal of sin theta. The reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. So we can write here cosec theta whole square is equal 1 plus b upon p. We can write it b square upon p square is equal b upon p whole square. So b upon p whole square means reciprocal of tan theta. It will be cot theta. It will be cot theta whole square. Clear? Now cosec theta square is equal cosec square theta is equal 1 plus cot square theta. So we can write cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal 1. This is the third fundamental identity. Okay, here we proved three fundamental identities और इनकी हेल्प से हम और भी आइडेंटिटीज को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Clear? Now I hope you understood this topic very well. So thank you students. Like and subscribe my channel.